Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this My Red Flags filter on Instagram. So this is the filter, My Red Flags. To get this filter on Instagram, just visit the creator profile. Pudgy Penguins is the creator of this effect. Check in her filter gallery. She's having some awesome filters. So you can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. Okay, so this is the filter, My Red Flags. Okay, you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and open it with Instagram. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. Okay, let's see what's the result. You don't have to do anything. If you want to record, you have to start the record button, otherwise this filter will start automatically. Okay,